Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5, consisting of Ivan Ambarsari, Nur Aini Wulandari, Safrida Ayu, and me, Lailatul Umrah Aulia. Well, here we will present the result of our discussion, namely analyzing the translation technique of this text. Well, first of all, we find the differences in the meaning of offline translator and offline translation. Okay, for the first is
The first is awareness. In translation, paralink is mean kesadaran, and in the Bing translation is mean kesadaran, and the offline translation is mean menyadari. In translation paralink and the big translation makes technique establish equivalent, and the manual translation is technique variation. The basic meaning of awareness is kesadaran. So the online translation has translated the patent, while the offline translation use another word of keyakinan, namely menyadari. Number 2 is rising. In the translation paralink is mean penggalangan, and the Bing translation is mean penggalangan, and the offline translation is mean pemeliharaan. In translation paralink and Bing translation is makes technique discursive creation, and the manual translation is technique establish equivalent. The basic meaning of raising is pemeliharaan, but in online translators it is translated as penggalangan, which is out of the context. Number 3 is Mol 2. In the translation paralink is alat mal, and the Bing translation is mean alat mal, and the offline translation is mean kegiatan mall. Translation paralink and Bing translation make technique is establish equivalent, and the manual translation is technique discursive creation. The basic meaning of mall 2 is alat mall. In online translation it is in accordance with the real meaning, but in online translator it is translated as kegiatan mall, so the meaning is out of the context. On the online translator and offline translator is appropriate. Number 4 is which. In the translation paralink is mean bahwa, and the Bing translation is mean bahwa, and the offline translation is mean yang mana. In translation paralink and Bing translation is make technique discursive creation, and the manual translation is technique establish equivalent. The basic meaning of which is yang mana, but in the online translator it is translated as bahwa. The translation is very far from the real basic meaning, while the offline translator is translate the same as the basic meaning.
Okay, the next is code. Paralink, untuk paralink yaitu bisa, and then Bing translation bisa, and manual translation dapat. Terus translation paralink establish equivalent, Bing translation establish equivalent, and manual translation variation. The basic meaning of code is bisa, but in the dictionary it can also be translated dapat. So the online translator is translated according to its basic meaning, while the offline translator use variation technique. next, provide paralink translation, menyediakan, and Bing translation, memberikan, and manual translation, menyediakan. Translation paralink establish equivalent, Bing's translation variation, manual translation establish equivalent. The basic meaning of provide is menyediakan, but in the dictionary it can also be translated memberikan. Then the online translator translation paralink is translated according to its basic meaning. On the online translation, Bing's translation using variation technique or other word from the provide is to give, while in offline translation it's translated according to its basic meaning. And the next, those paralink is demikian, dengan demikian, and then Bing translation dengan demikian, manual translation dengan itu. The basic meaning of those is dengan demikian, but the dictionary can also be translated dengan itu. So the online translator is translated according to its basic meaning, while the offline translator use variation technique. Translation paralink establish equivalent, Bing translation establish equivalent, and manual translation variation. The next, proficiency. In the paralink kemahiran, and then in the Bing translation secara khusus. The next, manual translation terutama dapat. Kemampuan. Translation paralink establish equivalent, Bing translation establish equivalent, and manual translation variation. The basic meaning of proficiency is kemahiran, but in the dictionary it can also be translated kemampuan. So the online translator is translates according to its basic meaning, while the offline translator use variation technique. The next, especially. In the paralink terutama dapat, and then Bing translation secara khusus, next manual translation dapat. Translation paralink establish equivalent, Bing translation discourse creation, manual translation establish equivalent. The basic meaning of can especially is terutama dapat, but in the online translation paralink it has been translated according to its basic meaning. In the online translator Bing translation using the discourse creation technique because it is interpreted as a specifically which is out of the context while the offline translator is translated according to its basic meaning. And the next, decrease. In the paralink is menurunkan, in the Bing translation mengurangi, and then manual is menurunkan. Translation paralink variation, Bing translation establish equivalent, manual translation as variation. Okay, the basic of meaning of decrease is to mengurangi, but it can also be interpreted as merungkan. Then the online translator, translation paralink, and offline translation is translate decrease using variation technique or synonym of the word thus, while in online translator, being translation is translate according to its basic meaning. And the next learners in the paralink is peserta didik, in the being translation pelajar, and in the manual siswa. Translation paralink variation, being translation established equivalent, and manual translation variation. The basic meaning of learners is pelajar, but it can be interpreted as peserta didik or siswa. So the online translator, translation paralink, and offline translation are translates peserta didik and siswa using variation technique or synonyms of the word peserta, while the online translator being translation is translates according to its basic meaning.
Well, next is ask for. In online translation, translation paralink means meminta, and ping translation means meminta, same like translation paralink. And in offline translation or manual translation means bertanya. And the translator using the technique establish equivalent in translation paralink and ping translation, and in manual translation the translator using discursive creation. And the basic meaning of ask for is meminta. In online translator, it has been interpreted according to its basic meaning, while in offline translator, it is defined as bertanya, which is out of the context. And the next is instead of. In online translation, in translation paralink and pig translation means alih-alih, it is same meaning. And in offline translation or manual translation is daripada. And the translation using established equivalent in translation paralink and pig translation, and the translator using discursive creation in manual translation. The basic meaning of instead of is alih-alih. In online translation, it has been interpreted according to its basic meaning, while in offline translator, it is defined as daripada, which is out of the context. And next is remedies. Remedies in online translation, in translation paralink means solusi, in pig translation means obat, and in manual translation or offline translation means solusi. And the translator using technique variation in translation paralink and in ping translation using established equivalent, and in manual translation or offline translation using variation. The basic meaning of remedies is obat, but it can also be interpreted as a solusi. In online translation or translation paralink and offline translation, it means solution atau solusi using variation technique, while in ping translation, it uses the basic meaning. And next is this study. In online translation, translation paralink and ping translation, it means have meaning same meaning. It's a studi ini, while in offline translation or manual translation means penelitian ini. And the translator using established equivalent in translation paralink and ping translation, while translator using discursive creation in manual translation or offline translation. The basic meaning of this study is pembelajaran ini. In the online translator, it is translate according to its basic meaning, while in the offline translator, it is translate penelitian ini, which is out of the context. And next is limitation. In online translation, translation paralink and pink translation have the same meaning, it's keterbatasan, while in manual translation or offline translation means kelemahan. The translator using established equivalent in translation paralink and pink translation, while translator using discursive creation in manual translation or offline translation. The basic meaning of limitation is keterbatasan, and the online translator is translate according to its basic meaning, while the offline translator is translate kelemahan, which is out of the context. And next is especially. In online translation or translation paralink and pink translation have the same meaning, it's terutama, while in offline translation or manual translation it means khususnya. And the translator using established equivalent in translation paralink and pink translation, while in manual translation using discursive creation technique. The basic meaning of especially is terutama. In online translation, it is translate according to its basic meaning, while in offline translator, it is translate khususnya, which is out of the context. The next is examine. In online translation or translation paralink, it means menguji, while in pink translation means memeriksa, and in manual translation or offline translation means mengeksplorasi. The translator using variation technique in translation paralink, and pink translation using established equivalent, and manual translation using discursive creation. The basic meaning of examine is meneliti. In online translation, it means translate menguji, while offline is defined as mengeksplorasi, which is out of the context. And next is activities. In online translation or translation paralink, it means kegiatan, while in pink translation means aktivitas. It same like in manual translation. The translator using variation technique in translation paralink and translation using established equivalent in translation and manual translation. The basic meaning of activities is kegiatan. In the online translation, it is defined as kegiatan, and in pink, it is defined as aktivitas, while in offline, it is defined as aktivitas. And the third is tools. In online translation, translation paralink and pink translation have the same meaning, it's demikian, while in manual translation or offline translation means karena itu. And the translator using established equivalent in translation paralink and pink translation established equivalent, and the manual translation means variation. The basic meaning of tools is dengan demikian, but online translation can also translate demikian. So the online translator is translate karena itu according to its basic meaning and use variation technique. And next, in investigate. In online translation have the same meaning, it means menyelidiki, while in manual translation means menguji. In translation paralink, the translator using established equivalent technique, and pink translation using established equivalent, and the manual translation using discursive creation. The basic meaning of investigate is menyelidiki, while in offline translation it is defined as menguji. So in manual translation it is out of the context. Okay, I think enough for the presentation from our group. And the last, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.